So here goes takeoff. Let's see if I can get it up 30 feet. Nope. We'll try neutralizing the optical flow. And try that again. Still no. So I'm going to land it, restart everything, and take off with the optical flow disengaged. Okay, I'm restarting the drone and the remote. Gyro calibration. Optical flow off. Let's see what happens. Well, it seems to be working now. We'll turn optical flow back on now just for poops and giggles. Still increasing altitude. Well, I say my issue has been resolved. Bring her in for a landing and call it a day here.